In Lesson 9, we counted from $10 to $1,000 on the place value chart and the empty number line. So our homework number 1 says, write the total amount of money shown in each group. Letter A, as you can see, only has $100 in each box. So let's count by hundreds to find how much money is in each group. So let's start. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So keeping with the money, we're going to put our dollar sign and 1,000. We have $1,000 in the first group. Let's look at letter B. As you can see, there's only $10 bills in each box. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's $100 in letter B. Letter C, there are only $1 bills in each box, so let's count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have $10 in group C. And then as you can see, D, there are mixed values. There's $100 bills, there's $10 bills, there's $1 bills. So I'm going to draw a place value chart to help me figure out how much money. And I'm going to draw my dollar sign. So let's count our hundreds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 500 or five $100 bills, 500. Let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 tens or 30. And then 1, 2. Two $1 bills. So my total for D is $532. Number 3 says use each number line to show a different way to count from $580 to $994. So I'm going to start at the front of my number line, put my tick mark, and my first number is 580. This is going to be my starting number. I want to try to count the fastest way possible using the least amount of jumps. So I can start counting by tens. 580, 590, 600. I'm going to stop here because I can bundle. I can change my way. I found a new benchmark number. I can start counting by hundreds now. But let's mark how many tens we counted by. We counted by 1, 2 tens. So now that I know that I have changed my way of counting, I can now count by hundreds. So let's count 700, 800, 900. I'm going to stop and I'm going to underline and put my ending and my starting because I'm trying to get to 994. So I'm not going to count over 900. So I'm going to start counting by another set of numbers now. But let's first mark how many hundreds we counted by. 100, 200, 300. So I counted 300s. Now that I've made it to 900, I need to get to 994. So I have 9 tens that I need to get to. So let's start counting by tens. 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990. And I'm going to underline and put my ending because I'm ending counting by tens. I'm going to finish counting with ones to get to 994. But how many tens did I count by? Let's count. 10, 20, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I counted by 9 tens. Okay, and then I'm going to finish off by counting to 994. So 990, I'm going to count by ones. 991, and it's okay if you go off. 992, 993, 994. That's my ending number. And I counted by 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I'm going to give you one other way to count, to show how to count from $580 to $994 using our second number line. I'm going to still start off with 580, but this time I'm going to count by hundreds first instead of counting by tens. So I'm going to count until I get as close to 994 as possible. So 580, 680, 780, 880, 980. Well, I can't go any higher than this counting by hundreds because I'm going to go over my ending number. So I'm going to underline and put ending because I'm going to end counting by hundreds and start counting by tens. I counted by 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. I counted 4 hundreds to get to where I am now. Let's start counting by tens to get to our 994. 980, 990. Oh, I'm going to underline and end counting by tens here because if I count by any more tens, I'm going to go over my number. So I counted by 110. And then finally, I'm going to count 991, 992, 993, and 994. That's my ending number, and I counted by 4 ones. These are both right ways to count. It's just whatever works best for you. You can see that the second number line took a little bit less time, but you had to be a little bit more careful with the way that you counted.